Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the one-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.40. You know, this was a 30-cent move today on XRP. We are up 14.92%. Look at Bitcoin right now, only up 1.36%. And now a lot of people are saying, look at XRP is decoupling away from Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin has one last move up before it comes crashing down. But we are going to fully decouple away from Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time. And look at that, XRP, the number 3 cryptocurrency again. And we even triple bottomed like people were calling for. They said if XRP triple bottoms, expect much higher moves upward. Let's wait and see where we go from here. Happy New Year. It's 2025 on the charts. It took 7 years, but XRP just had its highest yearly close in history. That comes from Blockchain Backer. You know, everybody was wondering, are we going to close above $2? We did. And then we continued upward from there. Now we're sitting at $2.40. Everybody's saying the next move should push us to a new all-time high. You know, last week, everybody was selling their XRP. Everybody was complaining. Look at XRP dumping. I had people saying, I lost so much money on XRP. The only way you lose money is if you sell. I keep telling people, the market's going to turn around. All you got to do is sit back and wait for it to happen. XRP price eyes $5 as whales move 700 million tokens. $700 million worth of XRP. You know, when you sell your XRP, the whales are buying it up. Soon, the institutions will be buying it up. You gotta hold your XRP. This is nothing compared to where we're going. Everybody's in such a hurry to sell this cryptocurrency. You don't want to sell until Trump is at the White House, Ripple versus SEC case comes to a complete end, there's an XRP ETF, Ripple possible IPO, and FedNow going live is also very bullish for XRP as well. People are talking about that. Once again, also. Then you got to wait for RLUSD to gain more momentum. That's going to continue to drive the price of XRP even higher. There are so many catalysts for XRP. Don't rush to sell. Ripple escrow unlocks with a message heading into 2025. January 20th is around the corner. Donald Trump will be in the White House, and we are going to make crypto great again. 2025 is going to be a historic year for the XRP community. And you see it right here on the transaction memo. And everybody was talking about that just 2 days ago. Wait until Ripple dumps that $1 billion on the XRP community again. Watch how fast the price plummets down. Instead, we're now sitting at $2.40. You know, there is a demand for XRP right now. That demand is only going to rise. And as it does, the price is going to rise with it. Bill Morgan predicts XRP and HBAR will surpass major cryptocurrencies in 2025. XRP is currently recovering while HBAR shows increased trading volume despite price decline. You know, ever since 2022, I kept pointing it out in video after video. Look at the growth around Hedera. Look at the growth around Ripple. They were both growing at a very alarming rate with no price movement. I am waiting to see that value reflected in the price. Attorney Bill Morgan, a proponent of XRP, recently stated on social media platform X that he expects XRP and HBAR to outperform major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. This statement follows a strong rally in XRP, particularly after Donald Trump's election victory. The growing market discussions about the future of Bitcoin and altcoins support Morgan's prediction. You know, we are going to see a major shift happen. We're going to get crypto regulations in 2025. The days of hype are coming to an end. We are moving into the age of utility. Once utility starts driving the price of these cryptocurrencies, that's going to change everything. The smart money is going to leave Bitcoin. It's going to even leave Ethereum. Because Ethereum, it's so expensive and it's so slow. We're going to see a shift happen there as well. People are going to be buying into XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, Algo, IOTA, these ISO cryptocurrencies. And again, ISO going live in 2025, that's going to be another catalyst. And I'm expecting big things there as well. Ripple XRP soared by 225% in 2024. How high can it go in 2025? ChatGPT answers. You know, I don't like the ChatGPT predictions for XRP. They're saying it's going to go to $7. But you know, AI doesn't factor in utility. It doesn't factor in all these catalysts we have building momentum for XRP. I'm still thinking XRP is going to go between $20 and $30. With utility, we could go much higher. I want to see what happens with the price once the Ripple versus SEC case comes to a complete end. Because I still think the price of XRP is being held down by that. You know, there's a lot of institutions ready to come into this space. A lot of these institutions are ready to work with Ripple and XRP. They want to utilize RippleNet and XRP. What's holding them back is the fact that Ripple is still tied up with the SEC. Once that's done, I'm expecting XRP to move up above $10 just with that coming to an end. Then we go much higher from there. Wealth Mentor says XRP could reach $100. Says don't wait to invest, invest and wait. And that's what I've been telling you all along. Whenever I say stay patient, what I'm telling you is just sit there and do nothing. Wait for it to happen. You invest and then you wait. And I see people still saying, I just lost XRP by selling at this price, thinking I was going to buy back in at a cheaper price. Sure, you could try to do that. And sure, you might get lucky from time to time. But sometimes you sell expecting the price to dip and instead it goes higher. It's better to just do nothing. If you understand what you're holding when you hold XRP, you would have the patience of a saint. You're holding a winning lottery ticket. You're just waiting to get rich. Breaking: XRP volumes in South Korea reach $800 million in one day. Korea absolutely loves XRP. In the bustling markets of South Korea, where cryptocurrency trading often reaches fever pitch, XRP has taken the lead, eclipsing even the mighty Bitcoin in trading volume. On platforms like Upbit and BitThumb, XRP's dance with the Korean won has been nothing short of spectacular, with volumes hitting over $800 million in just one day. South Korea is going to absolutely crush it when it comes to XRP. They will buy no matter how high the price goes. And I'm going to tell you the same thing about institutions. Once we start to get institutional adoption and that massive wave of institutions come into this space, anybody selling is going to be selling to the institutions. And they'll buy XRP above $100, above $1,000, because they're going to utilize it for its actual use case. In South Korea, they know XRP has a massive future in front of it. The prices are going to hit some very high numbers. So they don't mind buying XRP at different price points. You know, people, they buy it now, and if they don't understand what they're holding, all they're doing is waiting for the price to go up so they could cash out. But as they cash out, they're going to be left with a lot of regret, because I think they're going to watch the price of XRP go higher and higher. We are on the verge of a massive utility run. Ripple, Fed, and Fed Now. 2016, Fed DLT report singles out Ripple's interledger protocol. 2016, Ripple's Ryan Zagone to join the Federal Reserve's Faster Payments Task Force Steering Committee. 2017, Federal Reserve's Task Force highlights Ripple improves speed and transparency of global payments. 2017, Federal Reserve highlights Ripple's ability to underpin the next generation of cross-border payments. 2024, Ripple highlights the advantages of Fed Now. Fintech companies will have the opportunity to create new products and services that maximize the real-time capabilities offered through Fed Now. Major confirmation directly from Ripple. In the next year, Fed Now will be everywhere. I'm expecting a lot of adoption for Fed Now, and I even think that's going to push the price of XRP higher. We know the Fed has been working with Ripple for a long time now. Even when Ripple was meeting with Trump back in 2017 and 2018, they were talking about the future of cross-border payments. And I think everything was on track back then, but it was moving too fast. And then Ripple got slowed down by the SEC. Now Trump's coming back to the White House. The SEC versus Ripple case is coming to a complete end, and I think we are ready to get the train moving once again. This is going to bring a lot of value to XRP. Everybody wants real-time payments. X payment system, X Money, to launch in 2025. CEO Linda Yarsino says. So it looks like X is getting ready to roll out its payment platform. And everybody's saying that they're going to utilize Doge. Other people are saying they're going to bring Bitcoin into the payment system on X. But there's a lot of ties between Elon Musk and Ripple that go way back. Also, I think Elon Musk is going to most likely go with what's best for moving money, XRP. But I don't think it's just going to be XRP. I think he'll bring in a lot of different cryptocurrencies, most likely XLM as well, and maybe even Doge. The Internal Revenue Service has rolled out a temporary relief program for crypto holders using centralized exchanges like Uphold and Coinbase. So the relief program will run from January 1st to December 31st, 2025. It will allow holders to use their records or crypto tax software tools to specify which units they are selling rather than being locked into first in, first out. The IRS instituted custodial broker regulations a few months ago, set to take effect at the start of 2025. The regulations under Section 6045 require crypto holders using C5 brokers to specify their preferred accounting method, such as specific identification or highest in, first out. Otherwise, their assets will be sold through first in, first out. However, by January 1st, most centralized exchanges would still be unable to support specific ID, meaning some users will have to sell their CFI holdings exclusively using the first in, first out method. Selling under first in, first out meant selling the earliest purchased assets first, typically the cheapest, potentially leading to higher capital gains and increased tax bills. Now, here's the way I look at it. You want to sell the crypto you've been holding the longest, because most likely those cryptocurrencies fall under long-term capital gains. So your capital gains tax will be lower. But this is opening up a new option. And this is going to be good for people that bought their crypto this year or last year. Because this way, maybe they don't have to sell it and pay a higher capital gains tax. I want to see where this goes from here. But they're going to come up with a new accounting method, most likely throughout 2025. I'm hoping that Trump does away with the crypto tax on US-made cryptocurrencies, XRP, XLM, HBAR, and a few others. Because if you're going to make the United States a massive crypto hub, could you imagine the momentum that these American-made cryptocurrencies would gain if there was no capital gains? Think about it. We're about to get institutional adoption for XRP and these other cryptocurrencies. Every single institution would flood into American-made cryptocurrencies to avoid the capital gains tax. It would give XRP, XLM, and these American-made cryptocurrencies the upper hand over other cryptocurrencies. But I think we are going to get crypto regulations as well. That's what's going to lead to the institutional adoption. But eliminating the capital gains, that would make everything move even quicker. But until it all happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.